A very good morning. Welcome to my online classes. Though very less number of students are watching, no problem. Definitely I am going to take an online class every day. At present I am not having an online batch, sir, offline batch. That is why I am taking an online class. So maybe in the morning time or in the evening time, I may be taking definitely an online class. So I taught chapter 1. I taught chapter 1, maybe online or maybe offline, and I taught second chapter, polynomials. I didn't teach linear equations. I started quadratic equations. Like that I taught a few chapters. Trigonometry I have completed. Now a very most important crucial thing for 10th class is MCQ questions. So I have designed an MCQ lessons. Every lesson, every live lesson or every lesson, I am going to solve 10 to 15 MCQ questions. Today onwards, today in this lesson, I am going to have MCQ questions from the chapter 1. I may be taking a few questions, but but definitely it will be useful to you, and I'll be solving 10 or 15 questions now. Still I have 50 questions with me, right? So whoever is interested, please you can connect with me either in the WhatsApp group or in the Dear Teacher app, Dear Teacher RS app. Okay, let us start directly. MCQ questions. Now, first question goes like this. If two numbers do not have common factor other than 1, they are called. So here we learn rational number definition. Rational number definition, it is P by Q. P by Q is the P by Q is the rational number where Q is not equal to 0 and PQ are integers. And also there is one more thing, many of you might be knowing or might not be knowing, I don't know. PQ are co-prime numbers. This is the definition. So everybody should know what are co-prime numbers. Okay, this is the rational number definition. Now co-prime numbers, they are not prime numbers. This P and Q, definitely Q is not equal to 0, P, Q are integers, and P and Q should not have a common factor. Should not have a common factor. For example, 4, 6 is there. 4 and 6 are not co-prime numbers because 2 is one factor, 2 is also a factor of 6. A common factor is there in P and Q. So 4 and 6 are not co-prime numbers. You take 4 by 5. So again 4 and 5 co-prime numbers because they are not having common factor other than 1. 1 is a common factor for every number. So that is why here co-prime numbers, prime numbers, twin. The two numbers which are having other than 1, they are called co-prime numbers. Okay, so it will be twisted, it will be asked in the reverse way also. So this is my first question. Let us go to the next question. Okay. Next question. Let me bring to the board. This is the question. Two positive integers m and n. So here m is a one number and n is another number. Okay, m is equal to p q cube and n is equal to p q q square. Right now, so m is one number and n is another number, where p q are prime. M is equal to p q cube, n is equal to p cube q square. What is the HCF of m n? What is the HCF of m and n? You know HCF of 4 and 6. Like that, if you are numericals, you can easily find out HCF. You should be able to find out the HCF of non-numerical. Okay, these are alphabets. For this also you should be able to. Procedure is same. Procedure is same. So I will, because there are two ways of solving MCQ questions. This is one way. Okay, first you should know the concept, then you can apply shortcut methods to find out the answers. As long as you don't know the concept, you cannot apply shortcut methods. So I am just teaching you the concept. HCF of mn. So this we have to find out. Very simple. What are all the possible factors? Let us write q into q into q. This is easiest way. P into p into p into q into q. So now CF, common factors, highest common factors. So let us write all the common factors. What are the common factors? I will round up with one p is common. Here also one more p is there. There is no p here in the m, so only one p is common. Now let us go to the q. One q is common. Here also one q is common. One more q is also common. One more q is also common. So common factors are p is one factor. There are two q's. That means q square is one more factor. So the HCF is p into q square. So which answer is suitable? A is p cube q cube, B is p cube, and C is p square q cube, and D is the correct answer. Mahendra Gupta, good morning. Very good morning. So this is a second MCQ. Let us go to another question. So HCF concept is a important concept. Please do it nicely. So here on the HCF concept only, I will be taking one more MCQ. This is one more MCQ. So here the product of two numbers is equal to 1600 and their HCF is 5, LCM is how much? So here you should know one thing, HCF into LCM is equal to product of two numbers. Product of two numbers. This is the formula everybody should aware. So you just recall the formula, don't try to do it orally. Okay, if you want to do orally, you need practice. More practice gives you more ability to do orally. So in the beginning at least you should do around 50 problems, then you will get a skill to do the problem orally. So product is given, product of two numbers is given 1600 already given, and HCF is also given, and you have to find out LCM. So therefore LCM is equal to 1600 divided by 5, so 320. So 320 is B option. B is a correct option. Okay. So this is another question. That is why a very important concept, LCM into HCF is equal to product of two numbers. Let me take another question. Most common question I am going to take. This is another question. So 2 minus root 3 is an irrational number. Sir, what is 2 minus root 3? Is it an integer? Is it a whole number? Is it an irrational number? Is it a rational number? Definitely you can eliminate integer. It is not an integer. Eliminate. Definitely it is not a whole number. Eliminate. Okay, now we have to choose answer between C and D. This is elimination method. Okay, wrong answers can be eliminated immediately. So now let me give you some understanding about this. So now this is rational number and this is irrational number. Root 3 is an irrational number. So this is rational number and this is irrational number, and in between minus symbol is there. So the difference are sum of a rational number, and irrational number is always a irrational number. The sum of rational and irrational, difference of rational and irrational, always, not always, sometimes. So here in this case, this is irrational number. The answer is irrational number. So this is how. There is one more question. Vijay Mishra, Jayata Mishra. Good morning. Let me take another question. Another question. I will be taking around 20 minutes. Whatever, how many questions I can do, those many questions I can easily do it. So now let me take one more concept. This is also very important concept, easiest concept. Okay. Regarding the prime factorization. Prime factorization of 424. Everybody should be aware of prime factorization. So now here you just see, you can eliminate directly, right? Anyhow, we will do it. 424 prime 5. You take any prime number. 2 is the first prime number. So 2, 1, 2. Again 2 will go 2, 1, 0, 6. Again 2 will go 53. 53 is a prime number. So it is 2 cube into 53. This is our answer. Let us see whether this answer is there. Yeah, first answer only is there. Okay, 2 cube and 53. Because we have done it and we have checking, you go through the another answer. Is it 2 to the 4? It is wrong answer. 2 into 4 is 2 square, and this 2 square and 2 is become 2 cube and 53. So and D and A resembles the same, but we give preference to A because he has written 4. Not is 4 is not a prime number. Okay, so D is eliminated, and here of course this is not eliminated. This is not an answer. So this is how you have to tackle. Very good, Vijayata. Very nice. I'll wait for you to give the answers. You are encouraging me. Wait for the next one. For you, easy question I am going to give you. Same concept. I'll wait for you, your answer, Vijayata. I don't know where are you from. (180) can be expressed as a product of its prime factors. Hello, Hindu. I am waiting for you, Vijayata. 180 can be expressed as a product of its prime factors. I'll wait for one or two. Thank you, because I praised Vijayata. She gave an option. She is not only watching, she is working and giving the answer. I request all of you to go through the MCQs and give the answers. So 180 can be expressed as a product of its prime factors. So so as usual, you can work out here. 5 you can take. 5 is a prime factor. 3 5 are 15. 6. Again 2 you can take. 18. You can take again 2. 9. You can take 2 and 3. So it is 2 cube into 3 into 5. Option C. Option C is I'm sorry, I only did mistake. 3 square, 2 square, 3 square and 5. Yeah, option C is correct. Very good. Option C is correct. So like me, you may be getting mistakes. Please be careful. Let me go to another question. Yeah, this is little bit thoughtful type question. Let me see how you are going to handle this question. Which of the following numbers is a prime number? Hindu क्यों okay. So you have to identify the prime number. This is little bit difficult topic. Difficult question. If it is a small question, anybody can answer. Below 50, everybody can easily identify. Even below 100 also, the numbers which are below 100, most of the students can identify which is prime number, which is not a prime number. So all of you might be knowing what is a prime number. Prime number means the answer, the number which has only two factors, 1 and itself. So you have to identify prime numbers. So you have to put the division rule. Okay, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, 10, 11, 13, okay, 14, 15, 16, 17, 19, like this. These are the numbers. Okay, 20, 21, 22, 23. Now you just check which number is option A. Okay. option A. Option A is not Vijayata, you just check it out, because 7 table will go in this, na? 2 7s are 14, 1. So 7 is a factor of A. So it is not a prime number. So 2 you remove it, check 3 whether it is divisible by or not. Okay, like that you check it out, then you will be finding which number is a prime number. You have to check these. Yes, I am. My chat messages are here. That's why I'll turn my munde this side. Okay, my chat messages are in my mobile. I'm seeing my chat messages here, and then my board is there in front of me. So that's why I'm turning my head towards the messages. Okay. So I think 233. Vijayata, you must be having a calculator also at this time. You just check it. 233 is divisible by, definitely it's not 3, not 5. Okay. So you can remove these numbers, not 5, not 5, and remaining numbers you have to check. 3, you know how to what is the divisibility rule for 3. Okay, you apply divisibility rule, and then accordingly you can choose whichever the prime number. Okay, so 233 will be the Vijayata, you work out with okay. So let me go to another question. I think only one question I can give. Easiest question I will give. Let me see whether Hindu can answer it or not. Okay. Which is neither prime number nor composite number. Reena Kumari, hi. I'll keep my mobile tomorrow onwards here. Which is neither prime number nor composite number. It's okay, Vijayata. Practice makes, because this is the beginning. If you want to get 100 out of 100 in maths, MCQs will play a very important role. Whoever is very good in MCQs, then only those people will get 100 out of 100 in maths, because 20 MCQs is not a small thing. So you have to work out on MCQs. That's why I have chosen MCQs. So which is neither prime number nor composite number. So the options में prime number and composite number दोनों नहीं रहना है. Yeah, somebody gave one C option. Let me see how many. Option C. Yeah, option C is correct. One is neither prime number nor composite number. Thank you. We will see tomorrow again MCQs, and tomorrow I'll come MCQs of second chapter, right?